Welcome to this online Floriday workshop about the bundles offers. In this video, we explain how you can further specify your offer and how you create even more flexibility. Before you can get started with the offer or purchase tips, you must ensure that you have created trade items in your catalog and your delivery terms and conditions have already been completed. If you have not already done so, first watch the videos about the catalog and the delivery conditions. Bundled offers basically work the same as a normal offer. If you have worked with offers before, you can skip the first part of this video and continue watching from the point where we start adding items. Let's get started. Bundled offers make it easy to share special deals with your buyers that are separate from catalog and batch prices. To create a bundled offer, go to Supply in the Floriday menu and then to Direct Sales. At the top of the screen, you can now choose Offers. This is also your overview screen where you will find all your offers. To create a new offer, click on the green Create button and choose Bundled Offer. When creating a bundled offer, you can add an attractive title, description, and image to attract attention. If you complete all three, the bundled offer will also appear on the timeline of your network and this will strengthen your offer. To do this, click on the pencil and fill in the title. Make sure it is clear what you are going to offer. You can provide a brief explanation in the description. Then go to Image. Here you can choose a default image that we have prepared, or you can upload a photo yourself, for example your own logo. After uploading your own photo, you can choose to use this photo as standard when creating new offers by checking the box next to Set as Default Photo for new customer offers. Next is the order and delivery information. Set the validity of the bundled offer by entering the order period. The delivery period is the same as the order period by default. If you want the delivery period to differ, check Deviating Delivery Period. You can now select a start date and an end date using the calendar. Next, we'll set who can see the bundled offer. Select specific customers by clicking Add and then using the search bar to select the customer or customers. It is also possible to filter by connections or active customers only. After selecting the customers, click Confirm to add the customers and return to the Offers screen. If you want your offer to be found by everyone with the Royal Flor Holland buyer number, choose All Customers and generate more visibility. Then select the shipping location and add a reference if necessary. You can also adjust the currency if necessary. Here you can choose euros or US dollars. By checking or unchecking the boxes for including delivery and including stickering, you can set what services you provide with this bundled offer. Now we're going to add the items offered in this bundled offer. Click on Add Items and select the desired items that you want to add. Use the search bar and other filter options to search efficiently. Click on the line or the plus sign to add the items to the bundled offer. Check the characteristics of the items and adjust them if necessary. Select the correct package configuration and then click on Confirm to return to the bundled offer screen. Now that we have added the items to this bundled offer, we will determine the composition. Enter the quantities and prices for the bundled offer per item. You can optionally use the Adopt Available Prices button to copy the existing prices from your catalog or batch prices. At the bottom of the screen, you can see the composition per bundle. You can see how many carriers the bundle consists of, how many packages it contains, and what the total price is. Enter the number of bundled offers you want to offer. The bundled offers always count from the total number of bundles. This way you avoid selling more than you actually have. When everything has been completed, click on Offer. Your bundled offer will be visible to the buyer, and if you have used a title, a description, and an image, the bundled offer will also appear on the timeline of the buyers you selected. If you want to distribute the bundled offer more widely, copy the URL link at the top right so that you can share it via email or WhatsApp to lead your contact directly to the bundled offer. That brings us to the end of this video. We have shown how to put together bundled offers and how to properly bring them to the attention of your network. Thanks for watching and good luck using Floriday. Do you have any questions? Do not hesitate to contact our support via the support chat or search for your question in the Help Center.